Hi guys, this is Ben from Trading Strategy Guides, and today I just wanted to take a look at three separate entry potential signals. Actually, there's one really good entry that's already triggered for our new reversal EFC signals group. So the first one I want to look at is the pound yen, and it looks like we got this signal on the May 16th, which was a few days ago. And actually this trade is up pretty big, and I actually ended up taking it. This was I think a few days ago, and so here's the actual signal. So it was taken at this is in our group. This was triggered to all of our members, and this is entry at 109.630. And this was actually a really it's actually a really nice trade that is still continuing to go on. And here's actually a live look at one of the accounts that that I have here. It's just a demo account here, but I'm just testing out the different signals. So here's actually where I entered in. So it was a little bit later than where the actual entry is. This is where the entry would have been in our signals group. I actually got in a little bit later, but here I actually have a trailing stop, so I do have some profits locked in case if anything happens here. But it looks like it's continuing up. Continuing upwards to our take profit area. There might be a better take profit than this, but you'd have to just maybe go back and look, see if there's anything that maybe before this point here. But I like this. I like this take profit target. It seems like a pretty decent area at this time. So that is the USD yen. That's one of the ones that I spotted that seemed to be pretty decent. Let's take a look at the other one. And what's really nice about this is you can just come up here and type in any symbol that you want that has signaled in one of these groups. And here's all of these signals that actually, since we started this group, this is all the USDNs. You can even go back and look at all the previous signals. So the next one I want to look at, and let's come back over here. Let's go to the pound dollar. And so here's some signals that we actually have we actually alerted some of our members just because the pound dollar seems to be in a position, a really nice position. So here was our entry. Here is the earliest, I guess the most recent entry. However, let's go ahead and take a look at this. And it looks like a really good entry right now. So looks like a great position to be in. We have a long downtrend, and what's happening here is it's really wanting to go. This is actually we implement the RSI in here since that's part of the strategy, and it continues to have new sell entry signals. And then we actually had one here, which is actually it actually ended up hitting the stop loss, but it just didn't have quite the amount of juice. But it looks like we did continue one more time, and then this looks like it's ready to go and looks like it's ready to reverse. So pound dollar might be a really good one to keep an eye on. So if you guys are interested in that, I would definitely be keeping my eye on the pound dollar, especially based on our strategy here. It looks like it's a pretty good place to hit a reversal. So keep an eye on that. So the USD yen already signaled to the upside, but you might be able to get in there. Pound dollar looks like it's actually a good one right now to get in. This will be a buy. And then the last one we wanted to take a look at is let's see, pound Swiss. And so we type that in up there. And this was actually the latest signal was actually it hit our stop loss, but I think our stop loss here was a little bit too tight, and it ended up coming back, and it's actually on the upward side right now. If you look at a chart, and so this would probably a good position to just go ahead and place a buy. This looks like it's continuing to, and I would have a stop loss right here. And it looks like it's, I don't think our EFC has signaled again, but it looks like the RSI is coming down, and we'll actually get another alert in the signals group if we do get another entry. But you can see here how it continues to just hit we get a signal and it continues the downside, get a signal, it continues the downside. So obviously, we're obviously not saying that our system's always 100%. You can see right here that it's not. but it looks like you can continue to see that it wants to push up. It wants to push up. It wants to push up, but it has not yet. But we think it will very, very soon. And I actually drew, this is a little trend line here. It could be really anywhere there, but it just is kind of to visualize it. But it does look like it wants to push back to the upside. So keep an eye on the pound Swissy. So that's my top 3 picks for the EFC signals right now. If you guys want to get in on these signals, you can go ahead and just click on the link that we have in the description. This is our newest signals group. And basically what happens is we get a signal, say the pound Swiss, and you can go ahead and type it up here, or you can just see them all in our little group here. That we have basically everything. We have your entry, your stop loss, your take profit. We're tweaking. We're trying to mess with the strategy as much as we can. Basically, we'll give you a entry chart. We'll give you where you enter, where you place your stop loss, and where you place your take profit. For a lot of major pairs, here's the Aussie dollar. This looks like this is this looks like it's a buy entry. So there's a ton of signals in here. We have them all on hourly charts to 4-hour time charts. So there's a ton of signals, not as many as our other signals groups that we do have. We actually have 2 signals group. This is more of a group that this strategy bases off of higher time frames. It's going to be the trades are going to be going on for multiple days instead of just getting in now and then end of the day you're beginning out. So these trades are going to be happening days at a time and not hours. So if you guys have any questions at all, please message us at info@tradingstrategyguides.com. Let us know in the comments what you think, and we hope to see you in this group. It's a really fun, and exciting times here at Trading Strategy Guides. It's just I think these signals groups are something that's gonna really change us, really change for our members, and it's really helping us out. And I think our members are really enjoying these. Basically, the feedback that we have gotten so far has been really good, actually. That they've been really enjoying it. We have some feature requests that are coming soon. They are in the makings. We're going to be adding some different things to our groups here, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, just hit us up. But yeah, this is our new signals group, and those are just a couple signals that I saw this morning. There's actually quite a few more that I could get into, but I just wanted to hit on those 3 today. So, all right, guys, thanks.